Hey everybody, this is Tim from the Tupperware Boys, and today I want to show you a really quick and easy recipe for a cake. I have a party to go to later tonight, so I thought I'd bring a dessert. This is a pineapple upside down angel food cake. So it's not the standard upside down pineapple cake that you would normally have. Very similar, but this is a lot lighter and fluffier, and I'm going to show you how to do it really quick and easy with Tupperware and using that in the microwave. So let me show you what we have to put in it. To begin with, we're going to use the Tupperware casserole portion, which is the largest container for the stack cooker. And we also are going to use the cone insert that goes in the middle of the stack cooker portion. So we're going to use that to cook our cake. Let me show you what ingredients we have. We have some crushed pineapple, we have some sliced pineapple, and we have some maraschino cherries to go in the middle of the slices. Plus, we're going to use some angel food cake, which there is, the only ingredient is water, but we're not going to use water. So let me show you how to make this really quick. All right, let's start off with putting the ingredients inside the bowl and mixing that up. So we're going to take an angel food cake, and we're just going to pour that right into the bowl here. And normally the ingredients are just adding water, but we're not going to add water to this. We are going to add crushed pineapple. So let me show you also, one of my favorite products is the Tupperware can opener. So it's very simple to use. It's ingenious because it's not going to have any sharp edges on the corners. But you just open it up here, put it on top, you put the wheels in between the top cover, close it, and it holds on tight. You twist it around, until you hear a little pop. Then you take the little opener here, clamp it on, and just lift. This actually removes the seal from the can, so it's not going to have any sharp edges on there, and then you can throw this directly into the trash. So we're going to pour this whole thing into the angel food mix. Let's get this all mixed up here. No need to sift. We want all of the juice inside of there. And it's going to be a little bit foamy, and that is okay. That's the activating of the cake mix. And normally this would foam up inside of the water as well, and that's normal. It almost looks like ambrosia. All right, we are going to take out 1 cup of the mixture because it will overflow if you bake it with the entire box. So let me take out 1 cup. We're going to save that and put that into our soup mug, and I will show you what we're going to do with that. It's going to be a little mini cake. Just scoop a little bit more because we want a little bit more in that cake too. All right, so we got our mini cake, we got our cake mix. Let's go ahead and get the container ready for our cake mix. So we have the cone. There's a little round placement at the bottom. You want to put the cone right on the top. Let me get out my can opener again here. Get our sliced pineapples opened. And we're going to put the sliced pineapples right in the bottom, just like a normal upside down cake. Because the bottom is going to be the top when we take it out and it's cooled. Now we are going to put maraschino cherries in the middle of all of those. I love this recipe. It's so quick and easy. Now let's pour our mixture in there. right, so we're gonna go ahead and put this in the microwave for 11 minutes. We are not gonna use the cover, so I will show you what that looks like when it's completed. It has got about 5 minutes left. You can see that it is puffed up. It is a little bit rising over the edge. It's okay, it's not going to spill over. Do not open the microwave door because it'll deflate and it will not cook very well. So this is normal, just so that you know. All right, the timer has just gone off. Let's take a look and see what that looks like. So you can see it's kind of settling already down into the container, which is normal. It'll start separating from the edges. So it's as it's cooling, it's going to separate a little bit more, which will make it easier for it to come out once it's turned upside down. Plus, the cone, we're going to twist it once it gets a little bit more cool so that it will be separated easily when we turn it over. But we don't want to do it yet because it'll still be a little bit sticky while it's cooling. So once it's cool, we'll be able to twist it and then we'll flip it over later. I'll show you what that looks like. Now that it's had a chance to cool, I'm going to go ahead and give the cone a swirl here. So it's just going to separate it from the cake on the inside of the cone. So just a little bit longer, and we're going to flip that over. All right, I think that has cooled sufficiently for now, so we're going to take something with a flat surface so that we can turn that upside down. So we're just going to put the top over and just simply flip it upside down. Then we're going to give a couple of taps. We want to make sure that it's settled and released from the container. Then slowly take it off the top. Look at that, beautiful. Then we'll take out the cone. And that is gorgeous. Look at that. So now we're just going to let it cool a little bit longer, and then it will be time for the party. And I have my cake taker all ready to go. But it's not time for that yet. We got to let it cool a little bit longer. All right, and that looks great, and I can't wait for the party tonight for them all to see that. It's going to be light and fluffy, and it's going to be delicious. So I hope you liked my video. Please don't forget to hit the like button and share and comment below so that I can hear all of what you have to say. And please hit the subscribe button down below so that you can be notified of my next video. I will see you later. Bye-bye.